Hi, I'm Shelly from cookiesandcups.com, and today we are here in my kitchen and I'm going to show you guys how to make perfect snickerdoodles. I used my grandma's recipe for so many years, but there were a few things I knew I could do better. So today I'm going to show you a few of my tricks. I prefer salted butter in my cookies because it just gives it a little bit more depth of flavor. So we're going to add that right into my mixing bowl. Next up, we're going to add some granulated sugar. And one of the tricks that I use in my snickerdoodles to give them a little extra flavor is I use brown sugar as well as granulated. Half of a cup. I'm going to add my paddle attachment onto my mixer, and I'm going to let it go on medium speed for about 2 minutes to get the butter really light and fluffy. So once the butter and the sugar are creamed together, just want to scrape down the sides of your bowl a little bit. This way we can make sure everything gets mixed evenly. Another one of my tricks is I like to use 1 full egg and just 1 egg yolk. I'm going to add 1 full tablespoon of vanilla. The extra vanilla makes them so good. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, which is a staple ingredient that you use in snickerdoodles, and then also some cinnamon. Most of the time with snickerdoodles, you just roll the cookie in cinnamon sugar, but I like to add cinnamon also into the cookie dough. It just adds the next level, I'm telling you, that's why they're perfect. I'm going to mix everything together now for about a minute on medium speed. So now once that is all mixed up, we're going to add 2 3/4 cup of flour. The beauty of this snickerdoodle recipe is you don't have to chill the dough, which I think is fantastic because that means cookies from start to finish and in my mouth is extra quick. All right, that looks perfect. So you can see how it's a thick dough and it smells so great. So what I'm going to do is we're going to grab a parchment-lined baking sheet. And right here is cinnamon sugar. It's about 1/4 cup of granulated sugar to about 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. I use a medium cookie scoop, but it's about 2 tablespoons in size. You can see it's about that much, and I'm going to roll it into a ball. I'm going to place that dough right into that cinnamon sugar mixture and just give it a little roll around. They're super pretty. And then I place it on the baking sheet. And I'm going to repeat that process with the rest of the dough. We're going to place them about 2 inches apart. Once you have your dough rolled in the delicious cinnamon sugar mixture, you're going to pop these in the oven at 325 degrees for 10 minutes. Okay, so now these just came out of the oven. What you're going to want to do is let them cool on this baking sheet for 3 to 4 minutes or so, and they'll continue to cook a little bit. That's why when you take them out a little underdone, it's okay. It's going to keep them soft for days. So tomorrow or the next day, they're going to taste just as good as they do today. They're a little crinkly, a lot chewy, a lot soft, and a lot delicious. For the full recipe, visit cookiesandcups.com.